شکریہ ادا کرتا ہوں تمام اپنے جرنلسٹ اور صحافی بھائیوں کا کہ جنہوں نے ٹائم دیا اور ہمارے سے بات کرنی چاہیے. میں یہاں پہ یہ کہنا چاہوں گا کہ پاکستان ہاکی ٹیم جیسا کہ آپ سب کو معلوم ہے کہ ایک طویل عرصے کے بعد ملک کے باہر کھیلنے آئی ہے اور اس میں دو طرح کی چیزیں ہوتی ہیں. جیسے ہمارے پلیئرز ہیں دے آر ولنگ اینڈ دے آر ایگر ٹو ڈیلیور گڈ ہاکی پرفارم ویل اور نو ڈاؤٹ جس دن سے ہمیں ایکمین نے جوائن کیا ہے اور ہماری اسکلس کے اوپر توجہ دی ہے, ٹیکٹکس کے اوپر, آل ایسپیکٹ آف دی ہاکی ود ان اے شارٹ ٹائم, اس کے ساتھ پلیئرز اور موٹیویٹیڈ ہیں. جیسا کہ ہمارے کپتان عمر بھٹہ ٹیم کو ایک میں سمجھتا ہوں بیسٹ ہینڈلنگ کے ساتھ لے کے تو ایکسل کر رہے ہیں. ہی از اے ونڈرفل لیڈر اور میں ایز اے اسٹاف ممبر امید کرتا ہوں اور انشاءاللہ تعالی آپ سے یہ شیئر کرتا ہوں کہ ہماری پاکستان ہاکی ٹیم ایک فیملی کی طرح ہے اور ایک اچھی پرفارمنس دے کے وطن واپس آئے. I would like to request Secretary Ekman to share his views with the journalists all over Pakistan, and please Ekman,
well, we can talk about many things. Firstly, we're here in ढाकہ, where we started, I think, in a good way. We try to play very structured hockey, very disciplined, keep possession. In possession, we want to attack as much as possible, and but we don't take unnecessary risk. We do our risk management, and in non-possession, we try to play different types of press so that we can close our lines and we can prevent our goal better. This is it's a little bit different than they used to play before, because it demands good connection, discipline to carry out the tactical requirements. And that's sometimes hard because Pakistani players like to follow their heart. They like to dribble, dodge, they like to show and play fully attacking play, score many goals. But the problem is that you get many goals against as well. And nowadays in hockey, each opponent can score goals. And if you miss chances, you might end up losing matches. And at the end, we want to win. On the other hand, this way of playing demands a lot of experience. You need to practice a lot. You need to play matches to learn to how it works and the timing. And we struggle a little bit with that because players understand. But if you understand something, that doesn't mean that you can execute it. To execute, you need to experience, and for experience, you need matches. That's what we try to achieve. And at this moment, I'm very positive about the way the team is coping with this, because I think that we do very well. We play a good structured game. We give little away, but we are now in the phase that if we make a mistake, it's directly a goal. And it's not the other way around, that if we get a chance, it's also a goal. So we need to learn to balance it, and that's what we try to do. But I'm very happy to see the eagerness from players to perform, to show their country that they are good players, that they can compete with the best, and they really want to go back. One of the things where you can see it in is that every match we played, we fought. We never gave up. We worked very hard. We tried to fight and to get the best result possible. and fortunately we are in the semi-finals, and now the tournament starts. So I'm looking forward to these two matches, the two upcoming matches, because there we can see how much we learned, and if we are able to play matches to matters, which matters, and where we can get the results. I hope I gave you an insight in what we do, how we do it, what the mood is in the team, and how we work. So if you have questions, I'm always willing to reply, but I think that first maybe our captain can give his side about how we are doing. Thank you.
Thank you, Eickman. And Umar, please, you also state your next as well. I'll move. Okay, Umar, start.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much to everybody. बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप लोग आए. ये एशियन चैंपियन ट्रॉफी थी हमारे यहाँ, जो जैसे आपको पता ही कि काफ़ी अर्से बाद हम आए हैं, यानी कि अराउंड 2 साल के बाद जो पाकिस्तान हॉकी टीम जो है वो टूर पे गई है. तो हमारी टीम ने काफ़ी प्लेयर्स ने मेहनत की है और यानी कि लर्न करने की काफ़ी कोशिश की है. और अब ये है कि हमने जो है वो मैच बाय मैच देखा है चीज़ों को और इम्प्रूव किया है और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. जैसे जैसे कोच ने बताया कि हम फाइट कर रहे हैं एट द एंड तक, तो जितना बेस्ट पॉसिबल रिजल्ट्स टीम दे सकती है तो देगी इंशाल्लाह.